Hey Cougars, I'm Ian White and here's what's happening. Congratulations to the Northwest Rankin girls swim team on their success at the MHSAA State Championship meet on Friday. KK Ramirez won the 200-meter individual medley and the 100-meter freestyle. Fong Nguyen placed second in the 100-meter backstroke, and Abigail Shaw placed second in the 500-meter freestyle. The girls' 400-meter relay and 200-meter medley relay teams also took second place in those races. The Lady Cougars finished third overall in Class 3 competition. Congrats! U Alpha Theta is hosting an ACT tutoring session this Thursday in Miss Yates' room during Zero Block. Come ready to practice math and review a range of skills needed for the ACT. Don't forget about Rankin County District Bullying Awareness Poster and Poetry Contest. The theme for this year's contest is Together for Kindness. All current RCSD students are invited to enter the contest. Dr. Ramsey sent an email about the contest rules, guidelines, first through third place win cash prizes. All posters and poems should be submitted to Dr. Ramsey by this Friday, October 24. Get your homecoming tickets this week at lunch. They are $10 in advance and you can purchase a ticket until Wednesday. Today is the last day to pay with a check. All fees must be paid before you can purchase a ticket. Tickets must be available for purchase at the door for $20. This Saturday, the Northwest Rankin basketball teams are hosting Cougar Madness. Come meet your Cougar basketball teams and take in alumni games featuring former players from Northwest Rankin and Brandon. Admission is $8 cash only, or $5 with your student ID. Cougar Madness starts at 3 p.m. at the Northwest Rankin Gym. Next week is Red Ribbon Week. This national campaign is a great opportunity for us to promote healthy, drug-free lifestyles and encourage making positive choices. Monday, wear red, white, and blue to show we are united against drugs. Tuesday, your future matters. So dress for success in your best professional attire. Wednesday, wear camo. Stay hidden from drugs. Thursday is Tropical Thursday, so lay off drugs. Friday, show your school spirit. That's your news for today. I'm Ian White, and this has been your Northwest Minute.